How or why is this possible? Well, if you think about capital as a whole within finance and DeFi, there's really this thing that sticks in most financial managers' minds, which is the risk-free rate, right? So when you have the U.S. dollar and you're looking at yields and you're like, well, this specific stock can return me, let's say, 6%. But if the treasury yield or the risk-free rate, which is generally the 10-year treasury, is returning you 4%, your risk to reward ratio is essentially you're only earning 2% over the specific treasury or the 10-year, right? With XRP, there is no risk-free rate, right? You're simply just holding the asset. So the hurdle rate all of a sudden is 0%. Today, no one earns anything on XRP. So when you introduce yield to it, there's essentially a competitive barrier that we have for percentages that we're willing to deliver back to XRP, that functionally any other assets in crypto generally don't have, especially if they have native staking, right? So if you're deploying ETH today or you're deploying Solana today, there's a set amount of staking yield that you earn. So if you're deploying it anywhere as a capital asset, you have to earn at a minimum that staking rate or more, right? With XRP, there is no staking rate, it's just zero. So all of a sudden, we're unlocking a capital asset that has a risk free rate of today, which is zero, right? Obviously, to earn some yield, there's risk involved, right? Like there's some risk, but obviously you can hedge those things, etc. But nonetheless, that's generally how I think about Flare as an ecosystem. We're unlocking capital that has a risk free rate of zero today.